Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create computers and machines that are intelligent as human beings. AI machines are as smart and intelligent as the human brain, and they react just like humans. AI is a part of almost everything we use today, such as smartphones, cars, and banks. Smartphones use AI for image recognition and face unlocking. Virtual assistant apps on smartphones use AI. Siri and Alexa are very popular examples. Navigation apps in smartphones like Google Maps use AI. AI powers online shopping and advertising. Almost all cars use AI-powered safety functions. Language translation software relies on AI for its functionality. Many AI games like Emoji Scavenger Hunt and Quick Draw are becoming popular. Many science fiction movies use and show AI. AI is used to understand human voice and provide relevant responses or actions by using natural language processing (NLP) technology.